Here's how to make this industrial style Nelson bench. I started by cutting down some alder boards so that I had 10 strips that were 5 feet long and 2 3/4 inches wide. Then I cut down the spacers that were 2 3/4 inches tall and 2 inches wide. I set up some stop blocks on my drill press so that I could drill a 1/2 inch hole 1 inch from the edge of each piece. If you don't have a drill press, you could also do this with just a regular handheld drill. Next, I just used some glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails to put everything together. I started to work on the legs by marking the exact depth of the bench onto some 2-inch steel flat bar. This 2-inch flat bar is 3/8 of an inch thick. I cut it down to size with a portable bandsaw and then began to tack everything in place. I made a quick wooden jig to make sure I got the same 8-degree angle in each leg. After filling out all the welds, I used an angle grinder to smooth everything out. Off camera, I sanded everything up to 220 grit and then applied Minwax dark walnut wood stain and white bond polyurethane. For the steel legs, I applied Rust-Oleum flat black. For the final assembly, I attached each leg to the base with 7/16 inch threaded rod that ran all the way through the depth of the bench. After everything was tightened up, I used a cutoff wheel and my angle grinder to cut off the rod so it was flush with the bench. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like, share, and comment. See you next time.